Hey there, my name is Gary Sims and this is Gary Explains. Now we're coming up to the Christmas holidays. I won't be making any more videos until kind of the first few weeks of January. So I thought it would be good, first of all, to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and also to take a look at 2019 and see what we've got coming in 2020. So if you want to find out more, please let me explain. So this is more of a kind of a personal vlog, a message to you, the viewers of my channel. If that doesn't interest you, that's absolutely fine. I'll see you in my next tech-only video that you'll probably see sometime in early January. However, if you are sticking around, I'd like to just say, as I said earlier on, a very Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year. Now, 2019 has been an amazing year for me and for this channel. We started the year with 63,000 subscribers. We've now doubled that to 127,000 subscribers. I also received my Play award from Google for reaching the 100,000 milestone. So that's been really, really good. The most popular video on the channel still remains the Unix versus Linux video. That's got over 700,000 views now, and I hope in 2020 that maybe that'll hit 1 million views. That would be quite an amazing thing. And the most popular video from 2019 has been the Raspberry Pi supercomputer video that has over 300,000. Of course, other videos, particularly where we've been doing speed tests between Exynos and Snapdragons, those have been very popular videos because obviously depending on what part of the world you live in, depends on which phone you get, and people like to see the differences. Talking of course of the speed test, this year I also launched the Speed Test G channel, and that's now a separate channel, so this channel doesn't get flooded with kind of speed tests all the time. That channel is now up to 10,000 subscribers, and there's a good audience there who are watching all of those speed test videos. So 2020 is shaping up to be an interesting year already, of course. Straight after New Year, we've got CES, then we've got Mobile World Congress, and then we'll get all the launch of all the Snapdragon 865 devices from Samsung and Sony and LG and OnePlus, and you know the story. It'll probably be a repeat of what happened last year. And then of course we've got various events through the year. This year I'm planning to go to IFA for the first time, so that'll be the end of 2020. I've never been to IFA, so I'm looking forward to that when that comes around. In terms of video content, I've got the Surface Pro X now, so of course I've been using that almost daily to try to understand the advantages and disadvantages of using an ARM-based Windows laptop slash tablet. Then of course I've got videos planned on 5G, videos planned comparing all of the leading SoCs from Samsung and from Qualcomm and from Kirin and from MediaTek. I want to do some videos on the different 5G modems that are available in these different SoCs. Other things to do with Raspberry Pi. I think I'm going to do a video quite early on about the difference between C, C++, and C#. And that's the kind of thing where we're going to go. So I've got lots of ideas already going around in my head for the whole month of January. And I'm sure there's going to be more, of course, as we go on into the year. One video I'm really looking forward to making is about, is it better to have a single core processor running at, let's say, 1 gigahertz compared to a dual core processor running at 500 megahertz. And you can combine that, 3 gigahertz or 1.5 gigahertz, 2 cores, 4 cores. And I've done some experimentation. I'm really looking forward. So before that video comes out, do have a think about that. Which is better, a single core at a very high speed or 2 cores at half the speed? Which one do you think is actually better? And that's it. So just leaves me again to wish you a very Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and I'll see you in 2020.